What's good, family? Let me calm down a little bit. If only they knew. I know they know. Animals got a deeper connection with us than we even know. I'm just getting on here. Probably ain't gonna be too long. And I apologize if it is too long, but I'm gonna try to keep this short. I'm just getting on here to say, I'm recording this October 12th, 2022. I'm just on here just to say, love yourself. Hey, feel me? Pretty boy. Love yourself. Always. Put yourself before everybody, but not before the Most High. Definitely don't put yourself before that, man. Our Creator. I've been battling with my mental probably a couple of years now. Can't even keep track, because it comes and goes. Like right now. Pretty bug. What I was saying. Put yourself first before anybody. Just not the Most High, our Creator. Don't never put yourself before that. God is within us. If you're going through a lot, just take time out your day. Meditate, go outside and get some fresh air, and think to yourself. Put your thoughts abroad. Society wicked, bro, I swear. I ain't tripping over none material, no money, none of that. It's just what these people been doing to us for so long. And I'm actually going through a situation right now. So I'm staying positive as much as I can. Be your best. Be the best y'all can in this world, man. The Creator put us here for a reason, to be creative. Not the fucking slave for nobody. Not to fucking be negative all the time. Not to harm nobody. And not to do wrong by nobody. We're meant here to be spiritual beings. That's to be creative, to do what the Most High Creator said us here to do, man. That's just to be prosperous and being born in wealth. Not to be trapped and enslaved in the society that these people did to us, bro. Love yourself. That's gonna be the title of this video. I'm not looking for nothing from nobody. Money isn't real. Materialistic things don't matter. I just want people to start sharing more love, more positivity in the world. I want us to come together, man, especially melanated folks, bro. We come together, man, you know how powerful they'll be. They want us to just stop fighting, man. I don't know where I'm really going with this. Just love yourself. Love yourself. Gain knowledge. Find your purpose. And live it. Don't let nobody tell you what you cannot do, man. In the society we live in, is he say, she say, we don't know nothing. We don't know what happened 20,000 years ago. We don't know what happened 50,000 years ago. We don't know nothing. Live your life, bro. Money isn't real. Don't focus on materialistic things. Be yourself. Don't try to be no one else. I'm fighting. I'm winning. But it's a battle. Mentally. Mental battle. Spiritual battle. I always stay positive. I don't really talk to nobody. Stay to myself. Tell nobody what I'm going through. I don't want to do. I feel like I care about people more than I care about myself sometimes. But I know I gotta put myself first always. As you should too as well if you're watching this video. That's my boy. He feel me? He feel the energy. I love you, baby. Pretty boy. If you're going through anything, if you got somebody you can truly go to that person. If you don't, connect with yourself. Figure out what you're going through and figure out how you can bypass it. Figure out how you get through it. And never forget why you're here. You're here for a reason. We all here for a reason. Find your purpose. I know I said that already. Find your purpose. Love yourself. Do what you want to do. Don't be no one else. Be yourself. I don't think I got much to say. Try to stop it at 10 minutes. Probably sooner. Probably about to stop in a couple of seconds, actually. I'm going to get through it. You going to get through it. We going to get through it. I just want to share more positivity, more love, light on this world, man. We almost there. Things starting to move quick. A lot of things that y'all probably don't know about going on in the underground, literally. Behind a lot of things, but just keep your eyes open. Keep your ears wide open. Listen, see things for what they are, what they is. If you guys need somebody, you can come to me. You can comment. I'll try to get to it the best I can. I ain't gonna try to stay sad too long, so just that's pretty much it, y'all. Love yourself. Find your purpose. Live it. Be yourself. Don't be no one else. Connect with yourself. I think I said love yourself already. Said it 10 times. And that's it. I pray whatever time y'all seeing this, I just pray y'all having a great day. Y'all having a great week whenever. And I'm out. Love y'all. Love all.